Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to change a Twitter name. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now of course there's two different options as to changing your name. You've got the actual name of the account and you also have the username. So in order to change the name, so as you can see currently it is ProfileTree-Web Design and Digital Marketing. All you need to do is go to Edit Profile and change the name. So I can remove that and change that to ProfileTree instead of the Web Design and Digital Marketing, and all I need to do is click Save on the top right. So that's one way of changing your name. Now how do you actually go about changing the account username? So easy and simple to do. All you need to do is go to the More section here, just below the profile. Go ahead and click on that. You'll get a little pop-up here asking a couple of things. You need to go ahead and select Settings and Support. Now another pop-up again, and all we need to click on is Settings and Privacy. As you can see, go ahead and click on that. So you'll get another pop-up on the screen. Of course, this is the settings, your account area. There's monetization, Twitter Blue. All we need to worry about is the account. On your right side, on your account, you'll see account information, change password, so that's how you change your password as well. We're going to go ahead and click on the account information. Now, of course, for security purposes, you're going to be asked to confirm your password, so go ahead and do so. So here we are, we've now made it to the account information. So at the very top, this is all we need to focus on, which is the username. Go ahead and click on username. So from here, we're able to go ahead and change the username. We also have some suggestions as well, so we can change that to ProfileTree or Profile-Tree. Well, as you can see, it can't contain any of the special characters, I suppose, so not to have that. I think you can have this, so looks like that has been taken, so you could probably do something like that. And then all you would need to do is go ahead and click on Save. So once you have made those changes, of course I haven't changed the username, but ProfileTree, it will be ProfileTree and then underscore. That will be your new username, of course depending on the username you have, and of course I have shown you how to change the actual name on the profile. But there you go folks, it's as easy as that. That's how to change a Twitter name and username. If you guys did enjoy the video, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.